Alright, on to 5.2 PowerPoint lesson. Here we're going to be solving systems of linear equations with three variables, so x, y, and z. So instead of a ordered pair, x, y, we're going to have an ordered triple. Yeah, if I spelled that right, good for me. I don't know if I did. So yeah, we have an x, y, z. We have three letters we're going to solve for. Yeah, it's going to be very similar to the work we just did, but it's going to be a lot more work. So, yay! I'm sure that statement right there ensures that most of my class will just try their hardest to get their work done. All right, so I'm going to move on. It says show this ordered triple as a solution. I'm not going to give any homework, but again, just to show this is a solution because it says show that it is. So. Plug in 1, 0, and 2. Now, the nice thing is if it's 0, that means that's gone, that's gone, that's gone. So it's really just 1 and 2. That's kind of nice. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Good. 1 times 2 and 2 times -5, -8. Good. And then 1 plus 2 times 3, so 1 plus 6 equals 7. Good. So yeah, it's an ordered pair. I'm not going to give you any homework questions like this because it's kind of a waste of your time. I'm just going to have you solve systems of equations. And this is the method, eliminating variables. We are going to be eliminating variables. We are not going to be doing a substitution method. It's not helpful here. Just eliminate the variables. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to find, if we can, it may not happen in every single case, but if we can, I want to pick a variable. So find a variable with a coefficient of 1. All right, so that could be this x here, this y here, the z here, or that z there. So with that, I could easily get rid of, like if I want to get rid of this 5, I'd multiply this by -5 and add. If I want to get rid of this 2, I'd multiply by -2 and add. I could easily get rid of that z just by adding these together, and that 5z by multiplying this by 5. So it really doesn't make a difference which one we do. Okay, at this point I would ask, hey, which one do you want to get rid of, x, y, or z? I don't care. Okay, I can get rid of any one I want, so might as well get rid of x. So I'm going to use this equation to get rid of the x here and here. So for this top equation, for this one here, I'm going to move it over. 5x minus 3y plus z equals 2. And then, let's see, it might be easier if I could... No, well, I'll do that later. And then I'm going to multiply this whole row by -5. That's going to give me -5x plus 10y minus 25z equals -60. So when I add the equations together, the x's cancel. 7y minus 24z equals -58. All right. Then I'm going to use this equation again to get rid of the 2 there. So instead of -5, I'm going to multiply by -2. So I'm going to bring it down here. 2x minus y minus z equals -3. Everything times -2 is -2x. Positive 4y. -10z equals -24. So when I add these together, the 2x's cancel. 3y minus 11z equals -21. So now what I have is a 2x2 system of equation, and I'm going to definitely need a little create a note over here so we can see what's going to happen. All right. So I'm going to write 7y minus 24z equals -58, because that's the equation I have left. And then we have 3y minus 11z equals negative 21. All right, so those are my two equations. So I'm probably not going to get rid of the z's. Okay, it's going to be easier to get rid of y's. And again, if there's nothing else, if you can't think of anything else to do, what you're going to do is multiply by the other number. Okay, but if they have the same sign, one of them has to be negative. So I'm going to multiply this top row by negative 3 and this bottom row by 7. That way, my y's are going to cancel out. So that's going to give me negative 21y. 3 times 24 would be 72. So positive 72z. And 3 times 58 would be 174. So 174. All right. 7 times 3 is positive 21y. 7 times 11 is 77z. And 7 times negative 21 is negative 147. So, I see where I made the mistake. This is a negative 3. That should be negative 3, which makes that negative 27. And 7 times negative 27, one little mistake could mess up the whole thing, would be 949, 189. So when I add together, that's going to give me negative 5z equals negative 15. So dividing by negative 5, z is equal to negative 3. Oh, positive 3. All right. So we know z is positive 3. Let's put that over there. I'm going to plug that here in this equation. So 3y minus 3 times, or minus 11 times 3 equals negative 27. 3y minus 33 equals negative 27. 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 2 when you divide by 3. So far we don't know x, but we have y is 2 and z is 3. Please tell me x is 1. That'd just be perfect. Okay, so I'm going to plug that into this bottom equation over here. I'm just going to do it over here because I'm out of room. So I'm kind of jumping around here, but good thing it's a video. All right, so x, let's do this in a different color because there's a lot of red. So x minus 2 times 2 plus 5 times 3 equals 12. X minus 4 plus 15 equals 12. X minus, or plus 11 equals 12. Yep. Subtract 11. X equal to 1. So, there it is. X equal to 1. 1, 2, 3 is your answer. Alright. That's how they're all going to go. They're all going to go this exact same method. That's applications. I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to put some practice questions on there. You'll see some practice problems on the homework. I think I'll do about 3 of the problems, at least to give you a good kind of range of how the homework is going to look like. So if you have any questions, what you want to do if you have any questions is go to Google Classroom, okay, and right here, add class comment. That's what you want to do. Any questions? I need help with number whatever. I can try to make another short video of how to do that one problem. We'll see. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know how we're going to do all this because I got a ton of other stuff I got to do. I got 5 different classes I got to do all this for, and it's a ton more work than I'm used to. So, me, I'm used to being lazy. So, anyway, this be it for the night, except for the practice problems. I'll post those practice problems and everything together. I'll see you, I guess we'll see from me on Wednesday. Keep up with the work, okay?